I'm leaving, okay? Are you gonna be okay?
Mommy.
If anything, we'll ask for the car seat. She says he's not gonna get up to 6, 7 o'clock. Daisy.
Daddy.
Hi, Daisy. Daisy. Daisy.
I think she's trying to...
Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy.
Hi, Daddy.
She's trying to get the bowl off of her hair.
Hey, Daisy.
Hi, Daddy. Whoa. Whoa.
Gemma.
Sorry.
Daisy. Yeah, go to your mom. Yeah, she looks so cute.
Daisy, I love you. You're a sexy baby.
Daisy. Hi, Daisy, baby. Daisy. She's like, no, Lita, help me. Help